Hi everyone! Welcome to another STEM tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use the console in Spyder. Like in our Anaconda installation video, we'd like you to open Anaconda and then select Spyder. Once we've launched Spyder, we'll see three main windows. The console, which we'll focus on in today's video, as well as two windows which we won't focus on in today's video, which are the editor and the variable explorer. So here in this video, we'll show you how you can use the console as a simple calculator. So we'll complete simple orders of operation, which include adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, and calculating exponents. So these orders of operations are just like you'd input them in Excel. So for instance, to add, all we have to do is type 1 plus 1 and hit enter, and we have the output of 2. Likewise, to subtract, 2 minus 1 is of course 1. To multiply, we use the asterisk, 2 times 2, which is of course 4. And then to divide, 4 divided by 2 is 2. To calculate exponents, what you need to do is enter the asterisk twice. So if we do 3 to the power of 2 with two asterisks, we'll get an output of 9. What's important to keep in mind is that orders of operations apply in Python. So if we input 1 plus 2 times 5, Python will first multiply 2 times 5, which is of course 10, and then add 1, because it accounts for the order of operation. So our output will be 11. If we'd like Python to add first and then multiply, we have to use parentheses. So then we type in 1 plus 2 times 5. And so what will happen is we'll add 1 plus 2, which is 3, and multiply it by 5, and get an output of 15. So in today's video, we demonstrated using the console for simple calculations, and as a next step, we will look at using variables in the console. If you enjoyed this video and would like to follow our Introduction to Python tutorials, please hit like and subscribe below, and check out our website, stem-tutorials.com. Thanks for watching.